I absolutely love the whole concept, and I honestly, you guys are a lot different. I've been listening to everybody. I've been signing up for every different program, marketing, like the webinars and stuff like that. And I have decided like that I have to cut out all the rest of the noise.
Yeah.
There's too many different groups and there's too many different things and there's way too many promises out there. And I need to just cut out all of it. So I have you guys and I have Kathy Ford. And those are the people I'm sticking with, primarily because I think you guys know what you're doing extremely well. Like I feel like I'm in good hands. And also because you guys are coming from a real genuine place where most of those other programs out there, I don't see them as coming to me in a legitimate, loving, giving way. They want to come in, extract your money, and go out the door.